Hey all, welcome to my channel. I'm just going to be making a quick video here of how I make my flaxseed gel and how I use flaxseed gel to retain length and how I also use it to detangle. So the ingredients that I've got here right about now, I've got your fenugreek seeds, I've got some horsetail I'm going to blend inside, I've got some rosemary and lavender and rose petals that I'm going to mix. Excuse me. I'm also gonna invite when it's finished, I'm gonna infuse it with some sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, some Spanish rosemary, vitamin E, and lavender. So it's just a quick little video of how I do my flaxseed and the ingredients that I use. I have water here. I've already got the pot boiling, so I've got the natural mineral spring water, and yeah. So let's go over to the pot. So I have the water here boiling, and I'm about to put the flax seeds inside for it to simmer and for it to infuse together. So I'm just pouring how much I want. I want quite a lot because I'm going to be using it for everyone's hair. Then I'm going to pour some horsetail in it just for it to infuse. And also with the rosemary, lavender and petals. The rose petals is smelling so nice already. The aroma's good. And let's go get the fenugreek. And I've got a little bit of fenugreek because fenugreek is quite strong with the scent. So we're going to let this simmer and sit, and then after we'll come back to it. I'm just stirring it a little bit just so it can sit, but you can see already we're starting to get that little bit of jelly type effect, that gel. And if you come on, some people put marshmallow root, which I'm going to put some marshmallow root because I want to make it a little bit more thicker, but I've got to mix the marshmallow root and the powder with some water. Then I've got to pour it in because if I don't, then I'll get little lumps and bits and I don't want lumps in it. So I'm going to do that separate off camera and I'll get back to you. So the flaxseed has now come to a boil. It's simmed up, it's still bubbling, but we've come to settle it out now. And I'm going to strain this. I do recommend straining this straight away because when it gets very hard, it's more harder to strain. And it'll just be harder for all the bits to get, to come out. So we're going to strain this now. I'm just getting my daughter to help me. She's just going to wash up a jug and we're going to put it in the jug and then I'm going to strain it out. And then I'm going to put it into little containers so we can be using this when we need to apply it in our hair, because I'm telling you now, flaxseed is a lifesaver for when it comes to helping your ends to stop breaking. It actually seals your ends. It also helps to nourish it, support everything that your ends need. You know what I'm saying? To stop your hair from breaking. So yes, let's get on with this now. So I'm about to pour it in. And then Aaliyah can stir it. She has to stir it around so we can drop down. We'll probably do this off camera. This is going to take long. So that's how it's looking. That's what we want. And then she's just stirring it down, grinding it down until it all softens up. And then we're going to get rid of the top bit. And then we'll do exactly the same thing over and over again. So this is the rest of it. We're just waiting. We're going to pour some more in. So I'm going to add my essential oils. I'm going to add some sweet almond oil. Well, it's not essential, but this is more like a carrier oil. But I'm going to still add this in. But I'm adding all like my oils, my essential oils. I'm just about to add jojoba. So I'm just putting in the jojoba oil. I don't want too much. I'm just putting in a nice amount. Then I'm going to go in with my lavender oil. Then I'm going to add some rosemary oil in it as well. And then I'm going in with my vitamin E oil. And then I'm just going to mix it. So I'm going to have to mix and blend it in until it's all mixed together. So I had to mix it off camera, but this is how it's looking like since I've mixed it. And all the oil and the essential oils have combined together now. So this is how it's looking. I'm going to move it into a container. And then, yeah, that's how I make my flaxseed gel. And this has been helping to retain our length, as well as stopping the breakage as well. And also to help stop those split ends. Like, we're tired of those split ends. And I'm consistently always getting split ends. I have high porosity hair. My hair likes moisture, but it lacks it sometimes. And the main thing is making sure that my hair is healthy by using good ingredients. And this is all homemade. This ain't got no preservatives in it, so this will probably last me for about a couple of days. I'm going to be using it in everyone's hair, so this will go quickly. And I know by next week I have to make a next batch. So yeah, guys, this is how I make my flaxseed gel. I hope you liked the video. Please give this video a thumbs up and also support as well. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Majority of my subscribers are not also helping with the engagement. I need you guys to help with engagement, or there's no point me continuing YouTube, because without engagement there's no content. So hey, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Don't play. Yo, I like this. Woo! It's gonna be like some Louisiana type, Chicago, Chi-Town, San Francisco. Mix that vibe. And I vibe with the blue, and I vibe with the calm, and I come with the blues. Yo, give the most high some praises today. Give the most high some praises today. Yo, and it comes with the clues, and it comes with the clues, and it comes with the dreams. He told you, yo, it's coming back real soon. Coming back real soon. Yeah, yo, the most is coming back. He's coming back for good. And when he's coming, he gon' restore this earth. This earth is gonna crumb like little crumbs. Yo, when you're eating a biscuit, crumbing when the biscuit's falling down, that's how the earth's gonna look like from crumbs. You think rock, you think brimstones, you think that's rough, no, it's not rough. With the most high